Alright, welcome back to another class of another episode of this very class. Okay, so as we all know how we do it, I promise you guys I will be dropping the government post-UTME questions and answers. Alright, so it is important for you as a post-UTME aspirant or a post-UTME candidate, okay, so to pay attention from beginning of this video to the very last side of this video. Study with this video, learn all of these things and have it in your stored in your forehead. Okay, I didn't say you should start memorizing it, that is what you are going to write. Okay, I say you should learn it. All right, so the chances of this thing helping you in your examination is 70%. all right, of course, you know, when you score 70% in your examination, you are passed. So that's to tell you how this is going to help you. So that's why most of the past questions you're not going to see them here. So that's why I have done the one for current affairs. I've equally the current affairs question is more of all these question and answer. It's more likely to be government questions. All right, so that's why when some questions you see in current affairs, you equally want to see some of them in government. Okay, so I have come today to do this without wasting much of our time. Rush it. I always pick the right option. Okay, I don't mention the remaining options because we don't have time again. Okay, so I always go straight to the point, tell you the right option, then we'll go. All right, so the first question is the ability of a state to make laws which are free from internal aggression and external control is known as dash. Okay, the correct option there is option D, which is sovereignty. Okay, sovereignty. So the number 2 is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC) was founded in dash B, which is 1960. Okay, so the next one is question number 3. Who propounded the theory of the rule of law? A.V. Dicey. That's option A. A.V. Dicey. That's option A. The next one is Constitution that introduced federalism to Nigeria was dash. Option C, which is the Laetileton Constitution, right? Laetileton Constitution. Okay, so number 5 of it is which of the following is not a pressure group? PDP. Okay, not a pressure group, that's PDP. Option A, the correct option. Number 6, let's go. Which of these is an organ of the United Nations organization? D, the General Assembly. Okay. Number 7. A body charged with the responsibility of employing, promoting, dismissing and discipline of civil servants is dash, the public service. Okay, that's the answer, the public service, option D. Okay, why I'm rushing is because we don't have time again, so I'm just rushing to make sure I put out all of these things here for you guys to see. Okay, so you have your own time to go through them. The rule of law entails that's number 8. The rule of law entails impartiality before the law. Entails impartiality before the law, which is the option C. Okay, number 9. Number 9. A type of election in which an important political matter or a proposed law is referred to the electorate for final approval is dash, referendum. Okay, referendum. 10. Laws made by the federal government are called central laws. Okay, that's option B. 11. The name Nigeria was suggested by dash, Flora Shaw. Option C, that's the correct option. 12. In 1919, Lord Lugard was replaced with dash as the governor of Nigeria. Sir Hugh Clifford. Okay, option D is the correct option. So these were this part of the video will be ended for today. See you in the next part of it. Don't forget to follow the next part of it. Share to your friends. All right, let me see you again in the next part. Keep winning.